Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this very simple cake topper. Please like and subscribe if you are new to my channel, and I will be showing you more of these type of videos in the future. I have an Etsy shop, so please do go and check it out. The link will be left in the description box below. And I would love to know if you use the Cricut machine for your own personal use or is it for business. Do leave a comment down below. So from my Cricut app, I will start a new project and click on text and type out happy birthday. Just going to enlarge this so you can see a little better. Now under this section, there are a bunch of fonts you can use. Some you will have to pay for. I'm going to use the Rigetti script. And from here, I'm going to ungroup the words and just carefully move all the letters along so that they are connected together. And now I'm going to select happy and then just bring it down to connect with birthday. Now I'm just going to take my time and make sure that the letters are joined with the bottom letter. This will give it some stability when you have it cut out, so it's not so flimsy, and enlarge the letters if there's a need for it. Please comment down below if you found this video helpful so far, and I would really appreciate it if you can press the like button, as this will help my channel grow and get this video out to more people. After that's done, I'm going to select the whole thing and then press weld. This will connect all the letters together. This part is optional, but I like to select the colour I am going to be making it in, and yellow is the closest to gold. And then I'm just going to resize it to 6 inches in width and press make it. And make sure your machine is on and just press connect, and this should connect it to your Cricut machine right now. The setting I have chosen is poster board, as the cardstock I use is pretty thick, so this is the best one for me, but use what's best for you. You feed it into the machine and then just press go. After the machine has finished, make sure you always save your project. I'm going to save it under as Happy Birthday Cake Topper. And just carefully remove the cardstock from the board, and it also helps to slightly bend the board to help lift the wording up because you don't want to ruin the cake topper. I tend to use skewer sticks and just cut it down to size, and then just add a bit of glue on the back and place it down and let it dry. And when I package it for customers, I like to use an A4 card and just add a bit of washi tape on top. And then I will place it in a plastic sleeve ready to be posted out. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please give me a like and subscribe to see more of these type of tutorials in the future. See you soon.